welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, my name is Vanessa. You can call me V, you can call me Nessie, whatever you want. So today I'm going to be doing a huge Primark haul with you guys. I would show you the bag, but it's like demolished in the rain. Picked up so many good pieces from Primark. I tend to find that their summerish to autumnal pieces are the best ones to get. That's generally when I tend to do my huge hauls there. So let us get straight into the video. So I picked up this satin bias cut skirt. It's so beautiful and it is super soft. I know that Topshop have so many of these at the moment. Picked this up in a size 4 and I think this fits really well. I think with this, like with the waistband, it isn't really sized that well. It is super loose, so if you are going to get this, and I do definitely recommend sizing down. I also picked it up in kind of like a rust burnt orange colour. This one for some reason isn't as soft as that one, and it's not as much of a thicker, as it's quite a thin material in comparison to the other one. One thing I hate about Primark is that they're not really consistent in like their sizing and the way they do the same skirt, different feel, but both of them were £10 each, and I think for the kind of style that it is definitely a steal. And then the next skirt that I picked up, again, it is another midi. It's got some super cute like button details over here, which I quite like. It is a really nice fit and definitely would look really well dressed down. I love the way it kind of just sits on my waist. Again, with this I went ahead and picked this up in a size 4, and this was actually a sale piece and it was £5 to £13, which is always a good thing. I also went ahead and picked up this cute little mini denim skirt. This is something that is very wearable. You can literally dress it up or dress it down. It is a simple denim skirt, but I quite love the white contrast stitching that's on there. I love the fit of it, and I picked this up in my usual size 6, and the fit of it is really good. And then the next skirt I picked up was this super cute burgundy corduroy A-line skirt. I do love corduroy obsessed. You can wear it in the summer, you can wear it in the winter with a pair of tights, and this skirt was only £8, literally. Like, I picked up this really cute Bordeaux contrast stitching ribbed detail top. It is super cute and it is a crop top, and the material of it is like super thick, so you're not going to get your bra showing through it. This was only £4, like £4 for a top. How can you go wrong with that? Picked up this really cute spaghetti top. Literally, I haven't heard the word spaghetti top since I was in primary school. What? I picked up this really pretty kind of, is it like a cheetah or leopard or body Dalmatian? I don't know, but this is something that you can maybe, if you don't want to wear it as it is, you might want to layer it on top of a t-shirt, white t-shirt, or even a white shirt or a black shirt. It would still look super cute. And this was only £3. They had like so many different colours. Their quality is starting to get a little bit better. Now all we need for them is to be consistent with sizing and their material, but overall the quality has definitely got better. I picked up this really cute, it's kind of like a mom skirt, is that a thing? A mum skirt, like a midi skirt in this blue wash denim. It has a really lovely fit to it. This is such a wardrobe staple. You're gonna wear it year in, year out. It's something that isn't on trend per se. It's something that you're probably always gonna have in your wardrobe. If you're a hoarder like me, definitely gonna have this shit till I'm 80. So this was only £13. I also picked up a little, is it a slip dress? I don't remember. This is actually nightwear. So I picked this up from the pyjama section. It's like this really pretty burnt orange satin slip dress. I'm not going to wear this to bed. I will probably wear it as a casual outfit layered with a t-shirt inside. Definitely won't be wearing it to bed with a pair of trainers or a pair of Docs. And this was only £10, and I picked it up in a size extra. The next dress I picked up, it's this floral print blue dress. It is so gorgeous, very elegant, and the fit of it is so beautiful. I actually got this in a size 8. I couldn't find one that was in my size, but because it's got this little tie thing at the back, it still looks really good. Again, you can wear it with a pair of heels if you want, or if you like me and dress everything down, a pair of trainers. This dress was only £13. And then another little skirt that I picked up was this super cute neon extra AF A-line mini skirt. It is denim. It is still a really cute skirt, and I love the zip detail thing that's going on. I generally love snake print, but I think the neon is a thing that might just, I'm not sure whether I'm going to be wearing it next year or the year after, but I love that shit this year. Neon, it was either £10 or £13, which again for denim is always really good. So I've been after like a blazer for a while, and I went into Primark and I saw this really pretty corduroy blazer, super cute. You could wear it as a dress, but it is super short, so you could probably put some cycling pants inside. But how pretty is this? And the quality of this feels really good. It's double lined, I think. But yeah, I picked this up in a size 6 and it was £20. A bit pricey for Primark, but it is a very cute blazer. Very versatile. You can wear this with a pair of jeans, you can wear it with a skirt, you can wear it on top of a dress, like. And I picked up these really cute denim mum jeans that have like the little distress detail there, and then the ripped knees are there. They are really nice fit, and I picked these up in a size 6 and they fit me really well. They are super cute jeans and they feel like really good quality. That I picked up was this gorgeous jumpsuit. It is super cute. It's kind of like a utility jumpsuit. This was £20. I absolutely love it. Denim, you can wear it with absolutely anything. A pair of boots, a pair of heels, style it how you want, style it up, style it down, and I think £20 for a denim jumpsuit is definitely a good price. And then moving on to my final piece I got this super cute little tennis skirt. I love the print of it. It is quite short, not gonna lie, but it does look super cute on. This is something that I'd probably wear with a pair of trainers. Doubt I'll dress it up. Probably should have sized up. Actually, I did try to size up, but the size 6 was like really big at the waist, so it was either have a really big skirt that you can't wear a belt with, or have like a slightly shorter skirt that could fit the waist. So I chose the latter. Oh, bitch. Did I tell you the price? And it was only £10. So yeah, that's it for the clothes. Finally, I'm going to be showing you guys the gorgeous accessories that I picked up. I tend to get carried away with their sunglasses just because they have so many styles. And you know, when you see like sunglasses £2, £3, £4, you end up with like a load of random glasses that that you... I picked up were the super cute tortoise shell. It's kind of like a light tortoise shell. Is it a tortoise shell? Or would you say that's cheetah print? Anyway, these cute tortoise shell cat eye sunnies. They were literally only £2. Like, what? They had them in so many different colours as well. Picked up another pair of tortoise shell sunnies, again in a similar cat shape kind of situation. Make me look like a bug on here. They are super cute sunnies, and these were only £3. I love that it's got like the gold situation going on there, and then it's also got like gold little corners there. I don't know if you could see that. I also picked up these square kind of granddad kind of look, like they probably would look like a struggle on, but they are really cute. And I think if I'm not mistaken, these were only £2 or £3. They do look super cute on. I think that these are definitely something that you can wear if you don't want to be seen, if your makeup looks like trash. They're just really big and bulky, and I think they can look quite chic. Like, bitch, sorry, I can't hear you under my glasses. One more time. But yeah, I think they're really big and a little bit bougie. The shape of them is a bit different, but £2, why not try it out? And then lastly, I went ahead and picked up these neon earrings. They would even look cute like with this outfit. I think these are really pretty, and yes. So that concludes this huge haul. I know I've been rambling on for about 25 years. Thank you so much for making it to the end. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. But hopefully I will catch you all in my next video.